Hi everyone, today we're working on 6th grade math, applications of geometry. Find the volume of a right rectangular prism with fractional edge lengths by packing it with unit cubes of the appropriate unit fraction edge lengths, and show that the volume is the same as it would be found by multiplying the edge lengths of the prism. So today in class we looked at the formulas volume equals length times width times height, and volume equals base times height in order to find the volume of the right rectangular prism. We're also going to look at this in a context of real-world problems that have to do with our theme of endangered species and animal conservation for our marine animal studies of their habitats. So volume of a rectangular prism, we want to make sure we remember that volume measures the three-dimensional space of an object. For example, how much water would fill an aquarium. We measure volumes in units cubed. So in order to determine the volume, we observe how many cubed units there are in a three-dimensional shape. This is one of the examples we had in class today where we took our three-dimensional rectangular prism and we broke it apart in terms of layers. So first thing is to separate all the vertical layers, which is the height of the prism. In this case, our height would be equal to 2. The second thing we want to make sure we do is separate each individual layer into the number of cubes that it contains. So when we do this, we're given the total number of cubes in that entire prism, front to back, left to right, top to bottom. So in this example, we started out with a prism that was 4 by 2 by 2, and we ended up with a volume of 16 units squared. Volume at the aquarium. If we think about a saltwater aquarium with 3 fish, each fish needs at least 3 feet cubed of water to survive in the tank. If the tank is 8 feet long, 4 feet tall, and 2 feet deep, is there enough water for the fish to thrive? Also, how many more fish could survive in the tank? If the seal's habitat at the zoo contains a pool that is 20 yards in length, 15 yards in width, and 6 yards deep, how much water will we need to fill the tank? Don't forget, today we focused on volume of rectangular right prisms and some real-world applications of those skills.